Hello, student. Welcome to your English class. I am Mrs. Jenny Shah. And yesterday we started and understood the poem The Quarrel by Eleanor Farjeon. Eleanor Farjeon, she was a poet and a children's books writer, and she was born in an artistic family. She did not receive any formal education, but she was very creative. She started writing books for adult readers, but eventually wrote books for kids and then became a celebrated children's book writer. The Children Books Circle has also established Eleanor Farjeon Award in her honor. Her work includes books like The Glass Slipper, The Two Bouquets, and many more. The summary of this poem is that this poem is about two siblings who fought for no reason. Their quarrel continued for a couple of hours, and both of them were not ready to resolve the quarrel. Finally, Poet's brother, without any argument, admitted his mistake, and the quarrel was resolved. This is what I have done, students. I want you all to find out if there are any more rhyming words. In the first paragraph, I have found the rhyming words of brother with other, about with out, sight with right, and strong with wrong. In the stanza 2, I found another with brother, which is a repeat, black with back, along with wrong, and night with right. Please underline these rhyming words of stanza 1 and stanza 2. Page 40, we have a first set of questions for the poem. This has to be done with a partner, but at the moment, we are hands tied and we do not have a partner. What we can do is do it individually. So, on your own, try and guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. And somehow we fell out. What does the phrase fell out over here implicate? Second one, the afternoon turned black. The phrase turned black over here means what? Fell out. Does it mean they fell out of the house? Afternoon turned black. Does it mean it became dark skies and was going to rain? No, students. These are not literal meaning. This is figurative language. Over here, fell out means quarreled or argued. So somehow we quarreled. Somehow we argued. Turned black means was spoiled. The mood was wasted. It became, tensed environment. The afternoon turned black. So the afternoon was very bad mood. It was very tensed environment. Okay. Okay. Second one, you have to read these lines from the poem and discuss what they mean. One thing led to another. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. Again, the same thing. The afternoon turned black, thumped me on the back. So, one thing led to another means during the argument, one sentence leads to another sentence, which leads to another sentence, it leads to another. It just keeps piling up, starts building up. Okay. Next one. The start of it was slight. The start of the quarrel, the beginning of the quarrel, the cause of the quarrel was very small. It was very petty and small. The end of it was strong. The quarrel ended on a very sour note, which had a long lasting effect. It ended in a very, very harsh manner. Fourth, the afternoon turned black. The quarrel had spoiled the mood of the quarreling people, and the afternoon became intolerably sad and gloomy. Okay? Thumped me on the back. That means patting someone on the back in an amiable manner. Okay? Not to hit that person, but just pat. They call the person in a nice manner. Okay? Next one. Describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister, friend, or your parents. I want you to describe it to somebody in your family. Okay, so what will you describe? First, you describe how did that quarrel start. Then you talk about what did you actually quarrel about. And finally, how did this quarrel actually end? I'm sure you all have had quarrel. Yes? Okay, students. So with this, we've come to the end of this poem, The Quarrel. Write the poem in your notebooks. Okay. With this, we end today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and keep learning. Thank you, students.